Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of the Mortgage Monday Minute, where today we're going to be talking about the difference between being just a loan officer who's somebody that's processing a loan and completing a mortgage, which is fine, but being more of a mortgage consultant, somebody who is actually going to be able to take a look at your specific scenario and figure out, how do we make your money work best for you? What is the scenario? What do you need to accomplish? What are your goals? Somebody who can take a look at the entire picture and figure out a way to make a deal happen. I just closed a deal last week that I was thinking about that. It was pretty phenomenal. I'm pretty proud of I was just doing what I do, taking somebody who needed to buy a home. It was a very unique situation, very complicated situation, multi-state, multiple entities, multiple properties, and it was so complicated that I actually had to diagram it on a whiteboard for my team. So I put it all out there, let them know this is what we're doing, this is how it's working, and we do this before that, and this happens, and so on and so forth. And it was, when I got done, it looked like this big old schematic, and it was almost comical because everybody just kind of looked at me. But that's where I really take a lot of pride in what I do. Where I can actually make deals happen that other people don't even try to look at. That's what people need in the mortgage industry. People who care enough to actually listen to the scenario and figure out a way to get it done. So if you need somebody who's going to actually take care of you and your finance and your family, I'd love to help you out. Give me a call. All of my contact information is below. And until next time, it's all for one and one for all.